Hi friends, my name is Sunil Haribal and I'm a sales trainer and a coach with over 41 years of experience in selling, training and coaching. I'm a mentor at the Gas Sales Academy. Now, whether you are a founder or a CEO or a salesperson, you know that you're constantly selling or influencing people all the time. Over the past many years, operating in across the country, across various urban and rural, I have acquired unique insights from diverse cultures. Using these and what I have learned, I have now developed unique processes for selling, persuading, and influencing decisions. These can be applied almost across all selling situations. I will be conducting an effective selling skills workshop at the Gas Sales Academy from Monday, the 4th October onwards. With this workshop, you can increase your productivity, you can acquire high potential customers and retain them, and you can build productive partnerships and commitment from all the stakeholders who are responsible for your success. We will be using innovative methods for sustained learning, even on this online format. So do join. Scan the QR code on the screen to register now. If you have any queries, do get in touch with us. I look forward to meeting all of you on the 4th of October. Thank you.